What is this? It looks like an ordinary iPod. It feels like an ordinary iPod. It sounds like an ordinary iPod. But is it an ordinary iPod? I think you are wrong. It's the new iPod Magic. It comes with 2 great iPods in one case. You can turn it into one iPod. You can make it into a double-sided iPod. Or a no-sided, or a screen-sided iPod.
Oh my goodness, 2 screens.
And you can watch 2 things at once. Or listen to 2 things at once. It also comes, not included, are earphones. For this project, it's now $59.99. For a limited time only, you can get this product for $59.98. That's 1 cent off, 1% off the original product. So order now at 911. Thank you. Goodbye.